Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make two Halloween recipes, spider dip bowl and mummy toast. This is very cute centerpiece for the table. You can use this for dip. Spider bread can be made plain or savory and it's perfect for any Halloween party. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make spider bread. First let's make spider bread. Here I've got half a cup of warm milk. To that I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix well and set aside for 5 minutes. Yeast has to get activated. Into a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of plain flour, a tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give a quick mix. Add the activated yeast and mix well. Add 3 tablespoons of butter. Knead well until everything comes together. Transfer this to a working surface and knead well for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Spread some oil or butter to the bowl. Spread all over so that the dough doesn't stick to the bowl. Drizzle some oil on the dough. It will keep it soft and moist. Cover and keep it in a warm place for an hour or two. It has to double in size. The dough has risen. Just give it a quick gentle knead one more time. I've divided them into small portions, 2 for the head, 4 small rolls for the legs and 4 big rolls for the body. To make a spider head, take a roll, just spread it and keep another roll underneath and give a nice round shape. For the body, take a roll, spread well, then take 3 balls, make into one round ball. Give a nice round shape as shown here. For the legs, 2 long ropes and 4 short ones. Now let's assemble them on a baking sheet. This is definitely one fun baking activity to do with your kids and a better alternative to present them for Halloween instead of candies. Finally, give a milk wash. You can also give egg wash. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Cover and leave it for 30 minutes. Let it rise again for the second time. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake for 25 minutes. Now this goes to the oven. Our spider bread is beautifully baked. Looks so cute. Ingredients to make dip. I have taken 3 tablespoons of sour cream. To this I am adding a pinch of chili flakes, mixed herbs and onion leeks. You can use any ingredients of your liking. A tablespoon of olive oil. Give a nice mix. Now let's add this to the dip bowl. There you go, our spider shaped dip bowl with sour dipping. It's so delightful and yummy. Give it a try. These are the ingredients to make mummy toast. To make mummy toast is very simple, easy and quick. It takes just a few minutes to make. On a slice of bread, apply some tomato ketchup. Cut the cheese slices into strips and place them randomly on the slice to look like mermaid bandages. I am using olives to make ice. Place the bread slices on the baking sheet. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 9 minutes, or you could melt the cheese all the way if you like. Mummy toast is done. For me it took 8 minutes. Spooky mummy toast recipe, perfect Halloween party food. Try these recipes and share your thoughts and suggestions on the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.